Welcome to ZKTeco India official YouTube channel. Now I am going to explain about K40 Pro device. This device majorly used for the attendance purpose as well as the simple access purpose. It is having 2000 user capacity. We can add 2000 fingerprint and 2000 card, and also we can set the password for the verification. It is able to store the 1 lakh transaction capacity, and it requires 12V power supply to run the device. It comes with the internal battery backup. For the communication, it is having TCP/IP and USB and Wi-Fi as a option. So you can see the device. This device we can connect with the ZKTeco EM lock, exit button, sensors and alarms. This is the display 2.8-inch TFT screen, color screen, and keypad for this is the escape to come out of the menu, and this is the main menu button, and this is the on and off button, power button. This is the fingerprint to read the fingerprint, and it is also having the card sensor to read the card. If you want to take the data through USB, this is the port to connect the USB. Here provided with one reset button to do the device reset. Backside to the device, you can see this is the TCP/IP port to connect the TCP/IP, and this is the power connector port. So we can connect the 12V power supply here. And here you can see, if you want to connect any EM lock, you have to go for this first port, and this is the on and off button. It comes with the internal battery, so if you are using the battery means you have to make it on. So you can see the device inside the main menu. There are a lot of options is there. In the user management, you can add the new user, and you can delete and you can edit the user details. Here in the user role, if you want to create multiple roles for the device operational purpose, you have to go for the user role and create accordingly and assign to the employee. In the communication, anything related for the TCP/IP, Wi-Fi related settings, you have to go for the TCOM option. In the system, you can change the date and time. You can do the setting for the attendance, fingerprint and device reset option. If you want to enable the punch set option like check-in, check-out kind of things, go for the personalize. Here you can enable the punch set option, and anything related for the user interface, voice and bell schedules, everything you can get in the personalize. If you want to delete the data, you have to go for the data management, and if you want to take the data backup, it is possible in the data management, and also you can restore the data. The access control, if you want to increase the door delays timing, go for the access control. Here you can do the changes. In the USB manager, you can upload the transaction, you can download the transactions, and you can update the firmware through using USB. And attendance search, here by entering the user ID of a particular employee, you can search the attendance or transactions of that employee according to the date. Work code, if you are creating any work code, it will reflect when the employee will do the punch, the work code will reflect. Auto test, if you want to test anything fingerprint sensor or any keypad or display, you have to go for the auto test. In the system info, here you can get the device capacity and device info, firmware related things, and service assistance also you can get it in the system info. So this device we can connect with the ZKTeco softwares like ZKTime.net, EasyTime Pro, EasyWDMS and Intelligent Time softwares. This is all about K40 Pro device. Thank you.